be drawing this Peppa Pig. So the materials that we will need is a pencil. I'm using a mechanical pencil, but a regular pencil works fine. And then we'll need a green marker. Any type of green coloring tool works, like a green crayon or anything. And then we need a yellow marker. We need an eraser. And we have 4 shades of pink. So we need a light pink, a magenta, a kind of a reddish pinkish pink, and a hot pink. So let's get to the video. So first we'll need our pencil, and we'll have to draw her head first. So and then we'll have to draw the nose when you get this shape. So you can pause the video and draw it if you need to. And now I'm going to be drawing this nose part like this. So you're gonna need to draw an oval. And then we'll have to draw 2 circles inside it. Here's one, and here's another one. So then we'll have to draw a line over here, and we'll have to connect it down here. So then after you have this, we will have to draw the eyes. So one eye will be here. And we will have to draw a little circle inside. And after that, we need another circle for the eye next to it. After you got that, we will have to draw the cheek. So we will have to draw a very big circle. Oops. We'll have to draw a circle, and that will be the cheek. And we'll have to draw the mouth. So just draw a huge smiley face. Okay, now we'll have to draw the crown. So the crown, it's a little like, it's not curvy, it's more like flat. So we're gonna have to draw a line like this. So let's just say this is the crown. And then the crown has something on top of it. So just draw another line on top of it and connect it with another curve. Now we'll have to draw the crown on top. So you have to make it a little curvy, just a little. And we'll have to make, we'll need it to come back up again. Just like that. Now we'll have to make it coming down again. And then after that, we'll have to make it come back up. And then we'll have to make it go down again. Now, the crown has 3 gems inside. So first we're going to draw one over here. And then we'll have to draw one in the middle, that's over here. And one over here. Okay, like that. Now we're done with her head part. So now we'll have to draw her dress. So her dress is a little smaller than her head. So her dress starts about here and here. Okay, so we're gonna draw the dress. You have to estimate like her head's about this big, so her dress would be maybe around this big because her dress is smaller than her head. And we'll have to have a line that connects it. Now, she has her hand over here. So we're gonna draw 2 lines. And then when you have your 2 lines, you're gonna draw 3 bumps. That's gonna be her fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now she has feet, of course. So over here, we're gonna draw 2 lines. And then it have this coming down. And then we'll have we have to draw another leg or else she will look really awkward. Now we'll have to make it coming down again. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now we have another arm over here. So draw 2 lines. We'll have to draw her 1. Make sure you draw a straight line. So once you have your line, you're gonna draw another line next to it. Now, for the wand, you can design your wand if you want to. For me, I'm just gonna draw a star. And I'll have to connect it, obviously. Now we are almost done. We just need to draw her tail, which is just a squiggly E. And then we'll have to draw her wings. So we'll draw 1 wing. And her other wing starts from here. And since the first wing is blocking it, it'll look like this. So now, when you're satisfied, you can start tracing it with the sharpy. Okay, so when you are done tracing, you'll have to start erasing your pencil marks. Okay, so when you are done erasing your pencil marks, then we can start coloring. If you're not done erasing, you can pause the video. When you're done erasing your pencil marks, we can start coloring. So first, we're going to draw her face. So I chose the very light pink for her skin. So I'm gonna color her face like this light pink. Okay, so just keep coloring her skin until you are done. For the wings, I'm going to color it with the same pink. Now I am done. So now for the cheek, I think we're gonna use the hot pink. So just color the cheek a hot pink. For the feet, for her shoes, I'm gonna color it black, but you can color it like a different color. Now, for the crown, this part, it's going to be a magenta color. Okay, so now for the crown, I'm gonna color it a yellow, but make sure to not color in the so-called gems. Now for the gems, okay, the one in the middle, I think that should be the reddish pinkish one. So for the dress, it should be reddish pinkish color. So just color in the dress and pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so now I am done coloring in her dress. So for the wand, I'm going to color like this stick magenta. Okay, so now for the star, I'm going to color it yellow. Now the last part. We need to color in her eyes black. So I'm gonna do that with my permanent marker. So this is what your Peppa Pig should look like at the end. I have also made another video teaching you guys how to draw George Pig. Make sure you check that video out too. And if you like our videos, make sure you smash that like button and you subscribe to us. Thank you, bye!